Severe weather, a growing concern late this afternoon and this evening across central Florida. I'm Jeff Huffman, keeping a very close eye on the conditions ahead of this strong front. Obviously, we have this massive winter storm in Georgia and South Carolina with crippling amounts of ice and some impactful snow as well. Here in the state of Florida, we're watching a squall line develop ahead of this cold front out across the Gulf of Mexico. It's a very dynamic system, lots of energy, lots of spin. A couple of mitigating factors, though, to severe weather that I'm watching. The cooler shelf waters off the Gulf. We'll see how that possibly tames the thunderstorms a bit. And then here inland, how hot or how warm do we get? Temperatures could quickly warm into the 80s for the I-4 corridor. And with a south breeze, we're going to pull in some moisture that may be just enough for supercells to form ahead of a squall line. Very dynamic, very fluid situation late this afternoon and this evening. Here's the timing. 3 o'clock, the front is still offshore. It moves right up along the nature coast at around 5 to 7 o'clock. Tampa Bay, the evening commute is going to be difficult. Heavy rain also for Gainesville and Jacksonville at that time. But look here, these yellows and oranges, that's where the storms are going to be a little stronger. And any cells that form out ahead of this main line, especially along the sea breeze, those are the ones that could rotate just a bit. So really concerned about the I-4 corridor between about 6 and 9 this evening. It moves off the Treasure Coast at around 11 o'clock tonight, and then maybe South Florida still a chance of some showers toward daybreak tomorrow morning. Then the colder air is the big story tomorrow across the peninsula. Here's a look at Threat Tracker. We have low risks for hail, wind, and an isolated tornado. Those are low chances just south of Gainesville, Marion, Citrus, Hernando counties right around 5 o'clock. But I actually highlighted an area of orange between 5 and 7 p.m. right there between Tampa and Orlando up to about Flagler County. There's a slightly elevated chance for some severe weather early this evening, and then we're in the clear by about 11 o'clock tonight. I want to also show you what it's going to feel like in North Florida tomorrow with those blustery north winds. Wind chills falling right around daybreak. Check this out. 50s tonight and then 30s during the morning hours tomorrow. And this goes all the way until noon. Those blustery northwesterly winds will have quite a bite to them tomorrow across north and central Florida.